Hello guys. Welcome to a new tutorial video, and in this video I will show you how I made my songs. I hope you enjoy this, and now let's start the video. Now open your favorite browser and type this link on the screen. And now you are going to click on this button here. Now let's create a song. I always put it on instrumental to make it better. But anyway, let's style it. First you have to give the song a name. Then you will put a song duration. And then you will add some styles to the music. And after you have done all this, you will click on this button. And then AI will be producing two versions of the song. I'll listen and see which one is best. Now you will download it. And now you will search for this other link on the screen. Now you will click that button. And now you will enter your login and password.
Later.
Now you will choose a video template.
Much later.
I will choose this model. Now you will click on text and capitalize the name of the artist and song. And now you will click on the audio and upload the song you made. And now export the video. And now let's wait.
Much later.
Now that it's finished, let's download it.
Much later.
Now you need to open an editor called Vegas Pro.
12 seconds later.
Now you will be uploading the video you made. And now you will leave it at 60 FPS. And now you will click on the video with the right mouse button and click on Preferences, and then leave the playback rate at 2000 and disable Resample. Now you need to have an effect called Twixtor Pro. And leave the speed at 50%. Now you will render the video. And now click on Customize Template and leave it like this. So, this was the tutorial on how I made my songs. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next tutorial.